So in this video we're going to look at three main systems, which are climate control, the lights and the Sat-Nav system, and then on a separate video we're going to be looking at how you pair up your Bluetooth mobile. Let's have a look at climate control in a little bit more detail. If we look there, on the left hand side we've got the temperature control, in the middle we've got the direction, and on the right hand side we've got the fan speed. We can also automate these via the 5 buttons at the bottom, including things like fast defrost of your windscreen. Let's have a look at lighting in a little bit more detail. We look at the exterior lighting. It comes with LED daytime running lights and also auto headlights that can be manually operated via the buttons here on the right hand side. When it comes to interior lighting, the vehicle's got a myriad of settings to get the ambient lighting perfect for you. And the last bit in this video is the Sat-Nav system. If you have the Multimedia Cockpit Interactive, then you'll have the truck-specific Tomtom Sat-Nav system. And it works very familiar, just the same as any other Sat-Nav system.